Tapirs are mammals that live in swamps and in forests near rivers. They are related to horses and rhinoceroses. 4 kinds of tapirs live in Central and South America. Another kind lives in Southeast Asia. A tapir has a heavy body with short legs. It has a soft, flexible snout like a short elephant trunk. Its feet have hooves like those of a horse. Tapirs weigh 500 to 600 pounds, 225 to 270 kilograms. They are about 4 to 8 feet, 1.3 to 2.5 meters, long, plus a short tail. They stand about 3 feet, 1 meter, tall at the shoulder. The tapirs of the Americas have brown or gray hair. The tapir of Asia is black with some white parts. Tapirs are shy animals that like the deep forest. They sleep most of the day. At night they come out to eat grass, leaves, water plants, and fruit. A tapir uses its nose to move things aside and find food, like a horse does. Tapirs swim to escape their enemies, such as jaguars and tigers. Tapirs are endangered, which means they are in danger of dying out. People hunt tapirs for food and sport. Plus, people have destroyed tapirs' homes by cutting down forests for wood.